I spent some money on some shoes again. And I don't know, let's just talk about it. What is up, y'all? It is Flacco back with another unboxing. And yes, I have this big ass box in front of me. Well, it's not huge, it's just like a normal size box. But I have this box in front of me, and these are a pair of shoes. Just two pairs of shoes in this box. And I am so excited about these because I have been wanting these for a long time. And thanks to Black Friday, I was able to get them under retail and in two different colorways. Let's just open it up so you guys can see what it is. Let's pull out my handy dandy knife and let's cut this bitch open. I got two shoes in two different colorways. The amount that I spend for two is the price for one. Ew. I got a pair of Marnies. I got two pairs of Marnies. I'm big on slides. Like, I love slides. I've been wanting these for a while. So now that I've been able to get my hands on them, and especially because it was below retail, it's a win-win situation. This is my Marni virginity being taken, and I'm here for it. I was able to get two pairs, two for the price of one. Thanks for the Essence website. They had a sale. And when I said they had a sale, they had a sale. If you go ahead and take a look at the box, it's going to have Marni written in red with like this tan and yellow colorway, but around the box you're going to have a different tone. It's like a two-tone. You'll have tan, pink, and a red on it, and it's just really just a simple box. I got a size 41, which is an 8 in men. Go ahead, open this up. Boom. I am so excited about these. You have the Marni tag on it. You're gonna have this tan, this creamish yellow, I don't know, plastic paper wrap. It's like the amount of anxiety I have around this because I'm unwrapping all this stuff just to get to the shoe. Ooh, and it's this nice little cute Marni bag in there. I don't know which color these are, but we're going to see. Hate or love. What color is it? Gonna open my eyes now. Ooh, this brown, it just feels so soft. It's so soft. These are nice. Let me go ahead and try these on. Okay, all right, yeah. On the upper of the shoe, it's just gonna be covered with calf hair, and it's a brown calf hair on it. And on the inside of the shoe, this is pretty simple. On the inside, you're going to have Marni made in Italy. And on the bottom, it's going to say Marni made in Italy with your sizing on the bottom. Overall, a scale of 1 to 10, these are definitely a 9. This is fuego. And it's super soft. This is more than likely going to be my slide for the fall. Boom. This box has gotten its ass whipped. It has been through some traumatic shit. This one is a size 40. I wasn't sure. With luxury shoes, it can be a little different. And now we're going to go into the next colorway that I got. And I'm simple. I like the basic colors. And then we'll just dive into these. This is going to be the black colorway. So I have the brown and the black colorway. The blacks look a little different because inside of this one is going to say Marni made in Italy, but it's all in black. Then you have the black paper on the inside. So these are nice. I don't know. This one wasn't brushed correctly because the hair on this is just swaying everywhere. So let's try these on. These fit just as good as the other ones. And they're super comfortable. So I got me two pairs of Marnies. So this is going to have the black calf hair on the top, and then on the bottom, on the bottom sole, it's just going to be a typical bottom sole, and it's going to say Marni made in Italy with the size, which is going to be 40. And on the inside of the shoe, it's going to say Marni made in Italy. This is a type of leather that's in there. More than likely with this, you may not want to wear it all day, especially like if you're on your feet. But if this is just like, I'm a chill, I'm a hang out, I'm a vibe, this is going to be the shoe that you want to wear. And like I said, I'm happy that I got them. But comparing the two next to each other, side by side, looking at both these shoes next to each other, they're both dope. Like, It's just two different colorways on them. And on the inside of the shoe, of each slide, you'll see that one is brown, one's tan, and the other one's black. But with this is fuego. I'm in love. I'm in love with these slides. Like, I'm happy I did it. I'm happy that I purchased these. For the most part, this is a pretty banging ass shoe. I'm happy I got it. Let me know. Drop your comments below. Which Marni slide is your favorite? Do you like the brown or do you like the black? Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Flacco is out.